In this video, we'll show you how to install the passage door perimeter seal kit. You'll need a screwdriver, a tape measure, a hacksaw, and something to mark with. First, you'll want to lay out your seal kit. In this case, we have both to show. The perimeter seal kits come with supplied screws necessary for the installation. In the kit, you'll get 3 retainers and seals, 2 for the sides of the door and 1 for the width. This is the door that we will be installing the perimeter seal kit today. This door has a rather large gap, which this seal kit is perfect for. First, we'll measure the width of the door. Then we'll measure the retainer and mark where to cut. Using a hacksaw, cut the retainer on the marked spot. Align the retainer and use the supplied screws to secure the retainer onto the threshold. Now measure the sides of the door, mark the retainer, and cut it to the proper spot. Once again, use the supplied screws to secure the retainer to the door. Repeat the same process for the other side of the door. Once you have the perimeter seal kit installed, you will have a nice proper seal around your door. We're known for our weather seals, but we offer much more. We have every part for every door.